So, a little vlog for today's video coming up on Zachary 3D prints. So, what's up on Zachary 3D prints? Coming up on Zachary 3D prints. What's up on Zachary 3D prints? Coming up on Zachary 3D prints. Hello, this is Zachary from Zachary 3D Prints, bringing you how to reviews and many other cool things you can do with 3D printing. If you are new to this channel and not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. And you can also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. Every social media link I will put in the description of this video. You can also, if you like, support this channel on Patreon. I will put that link in the description of this video. 2 weeks ago I announced, because of the reach of 100 subscriber count, I announced a giveaway. On the end of this video I'm going to announce the winner of the giveaway of the, where is it? The cordless screwdriver. So, but that is for on the end of this video. So, like I mentioned in the intro, I'm going to talk about little things that I'm working currently on. As you can see, the table, and maybe you also have some workbench or working environment where you are 3D printing, and you can see it's not always that empty or that clean. Well, sometimes it happens and I didn't clean it before the recording. Well, I'm working on one of the ends of the InMoov Robot. Next week I'm going to release a video, part 2 of the InMoov hands. Then there you can see how it turned out. And maybe if there is a part 3 coming for the hands, or I'm going to continue with the arms. Also, as you can see, I'm 3D printing something very big. I sliced it in Prusa Slicer 2.2.0 release candidate 2. Next week I'm going to release a video about that, so keep that in mind, and also some other little projects. So as you can see, I've got a special package here. It's going to be used for my CTC Prusa 3D printer. I've got some problems because after the upgrade on the lead screws, I do want to do something in the software, so that's for near future. I also have some other things, something in this package as well. It's also, you guessed it, for the CTC Prusa i3 MK2 3D printer. It's going to be amazing. Something else, there are some other parts coming from China, from some other parts of the world, due to the COVID-19 or the coronavirus. I have to wait on some shipments that has to arrive. This one is already in since today, and I'm going to use it. So be prepared, there's some great things coming up. If you are stuck at home and you want to do something with your free time, if you are not having home office or home working, and you want to do something, maybe you should start with big 3D printable projects like the InMoov Robot or some other big 3D printable parts. You can find on social media, you can find different kind of ideas, inspirations that you can use for your next coming project in the time of being at home. So now the part everybody is all waiting for. I want to thank all of the many supports I received during the giveaway. Be patient if you didn't win, because in the near future, in the coming months, I'm going to do more giveaways, because I'm very thankful to all of my supporters, all my subscribers, and I'm very thankful, and I'm going to do more giveaways in the future. So for picking somebody from all the comments, I used a program called YouTube Random Comment Picker. And the winner is Cherry Dukes. I don't know if I pronounce this correctly, but I will put the screenshot of his comments in the video. And I want to thank you for all of the nice comments that I received during the giveaway. And like I said before, I'm going to do more giveaways, filaments or other things you can use for 3D printing and things that can use by the 3D printing. So hey, that being said, I really want to thank all of you for the kind support, and I will see you next time. So that being said, thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to Zachary 3D Prints, and I will see you next time. Let's make some fun with 3D printing. Zachary 3D Prints. Bye bye.